Hello, my name is Adam from Secureacar in Stafford. We are Toad vehicle security experts. This is a demonstration of a Toad AI606 we have just fitted on a customer's Porsche 911 Carrera 4. The Toad AI606 as standard will protect your doors, bonnet, boot and window breakage. This system has all those and also a tilt and motion sensor, plus window closure and roof closure. If I demonstrate now, if I was to arm the system, the Toad AI606 has the two top buttons which are lock and unlock. If I press the lock button, as you see, the vehicle locks, the indicators flash and the windows close. As the windows close, also the roof starts to close. This is all done one touch of one button, so the customer never need leave a window or roof open again. There we go, all closed. When we disarm, obviously the roof windows stay closed, but the vehicle's doors are unlocked. Now, if I just demonstrate the alarm system going off, if I arm it again, leave it a few seconds. Now I should go and open the door with the key, not the remote control. And open the door. Demonstration over.